Hey guys, wanna know how to leave or switch clubs in Asphalt 9 or Asphalt Legends Unite? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, simply open up your Asphalt 9 application, and once you're there, on the top you can see this small chat-like icon. Just simply press on it. Now this will open your club right here. So this is your club chat. Now simply select clubs right here, and now you will get more information on your club. In order to leave the club, just simply select club info and head towards settings. And once you're there, right here you can see something known as leave club. So simply select leave club again, and there you have it. You have successfully left a club in Asphalt 9 Legends. Now in order to switch it, you need to join again. So simply select join club, and once the game synchronizes, you can see these clubs right here. Now select more clubs in order to join and see more of them. So I'll just select any one of these clubs right here and then select join. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.